World's deepest dives 就係 dives，drives 就係 drives，呢個 R 好重要。揸車、潛水。For some， 對於一啲人嚟講 ，the idea of plunging into the deepest, darkest cavities， 好深嘅谷嚟當 cavities of the ocean is a thrilling prospect. Thrilling 即係 very exciting. For others, it's the stuff of nightmares. 發惡夢 nightmares. Depending on your own view, you might want to try scuba diving someday. Scuba diving 即係帶氧氣樽落去嗰啲叫 scuba diving. If you work hard enough, you might even get yourself into record books for the world's deepest dive. Scuba is an acronym that describes the equipment scuba divers use to explore the depths. Of course, some divers go deeper than others. Normal recreational 娛樂性嘅叫 recreational， 專業嘅我哋叫 professional。recreational 即係好似康樂嘅 purpose for fun 嘅啫，流下汗嘅啫。recreational 唔係 professional 嘅。Scuba divers are certified 被動句 are certified 即係要考證書 for the depths of up to 30 meters. With anything deeper being considered dangerous. 普通 normal recreational scuba divers 去到30米。落30米以下 considered dangerous. However, some of the deepest dives ever recorded make 30 meters look like child's play. In September 2014年，呢一個人 become 堅尼士世界紀錄嘅 holder of for the deepest scuba dive with the depth of 332 meters. It's possible. 留意呢個句構 ，it be 句構形容詞抄低 ，it be 句構形容詞，再 to 動詞搭落去，好常用嘅 structure。To go even deeper using sophisticated equipment. Sophisticated 係複雜嘅 ，equipment 係裝備。Sophisticated 嘅反義詞咪就係 simple。US Navy diver managed 係成功 ，to descend 係下降 ，to a depth of 610 meters using an atmospheric diving system unit. 大氣潛水系統衣服 ，OK， 大氣有關即係同空氣有關嘢。And getting into the world record books for deep diving isn't just hard, it's downright dangerous， 超爆危險。Most of this peril 係危險 ，stems from 打粒星 ，stems from 係由於。應該咁講，是因為 stems from 後邊通常跟名詞詞組嘅一個 noun phrase 或者 noun clause， 佢呢度用 noun clause。stem from how， 你用 noun clause 就可以後邊搭句句子，你唔用 noun clause 後邊就要跟 noun phrase。stem from how the human body reacts to extreme death， 極端嘅深度。For some, there's the compression sickness to worry about. The compression sickness is caused by 被動句 B 加 PP by build of nitrogen in the bloodstream. The symptoms 個病徵 symptoms range from mild headaches and nausea 想嘔 nausea to life-threatening heart and lung problems. The deeper a diver goes, the more he runs a risk 遇到危機 of ing developing decompression sickness. Oxygen levels can also pose a problem. 間低 pose a problem 構成一個問題。The deeper a diver goes, the more and his or her air is compressed by pressure, the faster it is consumed. 被動句 B 加 PP 被消耗。Oxygen can also become toxic 有毒喎 at depths of more than 66 meters, which can lead to unconsciousness. 不省人事 unconsciousness 有 consciousness 係有意識 un 即係冇意識即係暈低。With most of these risks are problems only for professional divers who are trying to break world records. It's still a good idea to start slowly and always listen to your instructor when embark on 一個 adventure 係解開始 start。Embark 要跟 on， 通常跟 adventure。